That old cracked coconut shell sitting in your kitchen? Most of us would toss it straight into the trash without a second thought. But what if I told you that this humble piece of waste holds the secret to growing incredible new life, right on your windowsill? I decided to put this idea to the test, using a dried coconut shell as a starter pot for a chayote sprout. What happened next was astonishing and completely changed how I view potential in the garden. In this video, I'll show you the entire process, step by step. This method is not only simple and practically free, but it's so effective you'll wonder why you ever threw a coconut shell away. You'll never look at them the same way again. Chayote roots are notoriously sensitive. They crave loose, airy soil to thrive, but most garden beds feature heavy or compacted ground. This density suffocates the roots, preventing oxygen flow and leading to waterlogging. The result is almost always the same: root rot, weak vines that refuse to climb, and a plant that looks alive but never actually produces fruit. It's a common frustration for many gardeners. But what if the solution wasn't amending your entire garden bed? That's where the humble coconut shell comes in. Here's the exact method I used. First, I took a mature dried coconut shell. I gave it a good scrub to remove any loose fibers, then drilled 3 to 4 quarter-inch drainage holes in the bottom. This step is critical to prevent the very waterlogging we're trying to avoid. Next, I prepared the perfect starting mix: 1 part rich compost to 1 part standard potting soil. I also added a handful of perlite for extra aeration. This blend provides immediate nutrients and the light, fluffy structure Chayote loves. I filled the coconut shell with this mixture. Then, I planted a single sprouted chayote fruit inside, burying it about halfway into the soil mix, with the sprout pointing slightly upwards. This shell now acts as a personal biocontainer and a mini composter. As it slowly breaks down over the season, it releases a steady stream of potassium, calcium, and natural fibers directly to the root zone. It also insulates the roots, protecting them from temperature swings in early spring. The magic is in the material itself. Coconut shells are loaded with lignin and cellulose, 2 tough carbon-rich compounds that beneficial soil microbes find irresistible. As these microbes get to work, they build vast fungal networks of mycelium. These networks act as a superhighway, helping the chayote absorb water and nutrients far more efficiently than its roots could alone. You're not just planting a seed, you're strategically building a thriving micro-ecosystem right where the plant needs it most. By the 3rd week, you'll see the results. The initial roots start weaving through the coconut fibers and pushing out through the drainage holes into the surrounding garden soil. This creates a unique dual root zone. The part inside the shell remains protected and well fed, while the exploratory roots venture out, giving the plant both stability and broader access to nutrients. It's like giving your chayote a set of training wheels, ensuring it gets a strong, confident start. For best results, bury the coconut shell so that its rim is level with the garden soil. This keeps moisture balanced and encourages roots to grow outward, not just upward. Water deeply but infrequently, about twice a week is perfect. Let the soil dry out slightly between waterings to encourage strong root development. Once the vine is about a foot long, it's ready for support. Train it onto a sturdy trellis or fence. This vertical growth saves space, improves airflow, and reduces the risk of fungal diseases. This method is a game changer, especially if you have poor soil. The coconut acts as a bridge, allowing the plant to establish itself in a perfect environment before transitioning into the native earth. So, the next time you're about to toss out a dried coconut, remember what you've seen here. That humble shell isn't waste, it's a vessel with the potential to grow fresh, delicious food right in your own backyard. By combining simple materials with smart soil thinking and a little patience, you can turn what was once trash into a thriving, living system. This small project is a powerful reminder of nature's resilience. That's the real beauty of gardening. It's all about transformation, not perfection. It's about working with nature, not against it. We hope this inspires you to see your garden waste in a new light. If you enjoyed this experiment, give this video a like, share it with a gardener who loves clever ideas, and subscribe to Decoded. We're always digging into more soil-smart, low-cost experiments that actually work, helping you grow more with less.